What's going on, everybody? My name is KEEB, and I am coming back to you with another video today. This is how I made $575 trading. I just made a video, but it was there was no audio, so I'm gonna redo it really fast. Okay, so here's the trade I took. So let me show you why I explained this, why I took this trade, and how you could have done the same. How you could have caught this market maker sell model. PMI at 10 o'clock. I would have entered this trade earlier if there wasn't PMI at 10 o'clock. Okay, and let's go get our executions on here so I can show you guys and be very transparent about exactly what I took. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we have not broken structure to the upside one bit. Okay, and I know it looks a little bit hectic right now. I'll honestly, let me get the other side off just so I can just focus on this one side right here. Okay, so let me, if I do this, no, I don't like that. That's not good. How can I, maybe if I, there we go. Oh yes, this is beautiful. This is what I need. This is how I need to have it. Oh, dude, I'm dumb. Okay, anyways, guys, this is what I traded today to make $575 on a red folder PMI Monday. Okay, let's do it. Yes, bitch, slay. All right, I don't mind me there. Okay, alrighty. So we have these. Okay, we have some accumulation right here. Okay, we come up and sweep out all of this. Okay, bam. Then we move down, come back up, and then sweep out all of this. Okay, and I'm thinking with market opening right here, okay, we're not going to want to come up to take out these forms of buy-side liquidity, okay? We are going to want to continue bearish in this 4-hour momentum that we have been carrying, 1-hour momentum that we have been carrying. Now, on the 1 hour, we have broken structure to the upside with this one right here. This candle closes above this. That is a break of structure to the upside. Now, what is the first thing that I seen? Okay, we have this, alrighty? So look, let me pull up this so you can exactly see. Alright, we open, we take out London, okay? Just barely, we take out London, okay? That's a liquidity sweep. That's a previous session liquidity sweep. That's my first confluence that I'm looking for, okay? And we also put in a bearish SMT here, where S&P did not take this out, okay? And now it did, okay? But at first it didn't. First on NASDAQ, we took it out first, okay? So that was the first thing, SMT, and then we also had this bearish SMT, all right? Now, what did we also have? Okay, we have this 15-minute bullish gap getting ran through and a 15-minute break of structure right here, as well as 5-minute break of structure here that runs through this gap, okay? There's also a 5-minute gap that gets technically not inversed, but still inversed in my book, all right? 15-minute break right here. So now, if I was really, this is the trade that I would have taken if there wasn't news at 10 a.m. 15-minute swing low right here. This gets ran through. Bam. Could have had a slightly better RR, but who fucking cares, okay? Who gives a shit? I still had a 2 RR on this trade that I took, okay? So, now, what do I want to see when news comes out, okay? I assume that we were going to dump. We have 10 a.m. right here, okay? We come up, we tap into this gap, and this was my first entry, okay? This was the entry that I thought that I had, alrighty, here, but I never actually entered. So, not good, to say the least. Not good. Not good. And I'm like, fuck, I never even entered. I thought I entered. My brain just fucked up a little bit, alright? Yesterday, I was supposed to live backtest yesterday. Didn't end up happening just because so much shit was going on. But, alrighty. So then what did I enter off of instead of that? You could have had that. We have this, that we come up, tap this bearish gap after we've broken structure on the 15-minute. Higher time frame is aligned. You know that we're going to be bearish. We have these sell side levels stacked up below, okay? With high resistance buy side above. A bearish SMT getting put into. Buy side previously swept, then internal manipulation. High time frame overall is bearish. It's literally, it's simple. It's fucking simple, okay? It was like the most obvious trade to take, all right? Now, I didn't enter until after 10 a.m. because first of all, I don't like trading until macro, and I also don't like trading until news, till after news. So you can see we entered here. I must have got stopped out on this first one. And then we have the second one, all right, entered right here, right where this is, a little bit later. Actually, it's like right there. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so slightly 2.4 RR. And then bam, we have this right here where we get stopped out in profit. And I was holding all the way down to here, but then we got stopped out in profit for 575. Okay, so then what did I enter on? All right, so maybe I honestly could have just entered, okay, but I was getting stopped out just because I'm super like super risk off, okay? When I trade, I'm super risk off when I trade. That's just me personally. So we have this 1 minute swing low right here, waiting for some kind of displacement through that. This candle, this is like right where I entered, as you can see right here, as we, and then we tapped into this. So I'm like, dude, I honestly don't know if that's what I waited for. I just know that I entered on this candle because, dude, 15-minute gap gets tapped into, respected, high time frame bearish momentum, SMT, buy side's been swept, internal manipulation of buy side liquidity. It's fucking cake. It's literally cake, bro. So yeah, that is what I took today, making $575 roonies. As you can see right here, Bubba, right here, 575. I will take it. Here is the Discord, ladies and gents. If you want to join the Discord, I'm gonna have the link in the description. Alrighty, guys. So don't even worry about that. Link's gonna be in the description for you guys if you want to join. Live trade on here every day, and you can see here. Let me get me off here once more really fast, and you can see that I have live stage right here. We have trade sauce, psychology knowledge, certifications, payouts, testimonials, questions. You guys can ask questions. I have a couple questions in here. You guys can post your P&L, which I'm going to go ahead and post this in here. I posted my trades in here. Here, let me actually post that in there. Rinsed NQ Bubba. So yeah, that's what I took today. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I have a lot of things to do, but I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are my pride and joy. Nice little 7-minute video for you guys today, explaining how I busted on the charts, busted on flooded the actual face of NASDAQ today. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Might do some live back testing tonight on Kick potentially. But yeah, I'm off here, guys. I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. Have a blessed rest of your freaking day, guys. Peace out. Mwah.